So in my own field, which is theological anthropology, there's a lot of questions about what it is to be human, particularly in light of Imago Dei, the image of God, which is something that's referred to only a couple of times in the first chapters of Genesis, but it's a really important phrase for how we think about humanness. And I think there's a tendency, particularly in sort of some theological circles, to focus on abstract notions of humanness. So the idea that humans are defined through having reason, rationality, linguistic capabilities, consciousness, and through different sort of scientific, particularly, and philosophical kind of advances or kind of new insights, these ideas or assumptions about human uniqueness on those grounds have been challenged. And critical posthumanism is kind of all about challenging the boundaries of what it is to be human, particularly alongside other species. And I think theological anthropology can learn a lot from critical posthumanism, particularly about what it is and isn't to be human, particularly in terms of these kind of blurred boundaries and fuzzy lines around what it is and it maybe isn't to be human.